Hi, James at Cargo Road Wines again, coming out into the vineyard today to look at the other rows. We've looked at the rows we sowed this year with the multi-species cover crop. Here's a row that we did a year ago, and we'll walk in and have a look at the biomass. So already we're seeing this fantastic establishment of lucerne that's probably 80 centimetres high, so it's above my knee, and I'm not a short fellow. The lucerne's flowering, so these flowers are fantastic forage for the bees that I run here. The lucerne's sequestering nitrogen onto the roots, which is going to be released later on. There is tons and tons of organic matter here. Now we'll roll this and crimp it, so it'll get cycled back into the soil to feed the earthworms, the fungi, all the bacteria, the roots of the grapevine. Big tick. Here we don't use pesticides, we haven't used synthetic fertilizers for 20-30 years, and it looks after the soil, and you can see how green it is. Some other fantastic things I've got here is a plant called plantain, and it's a native, and again it has a fantastic root structure. Got some tap roots coming down here, really good, feeding the soil, high in nutrients, the leaves. You can use them in salads, but sheep like them as well. Here we're seeing some fungal action starting to break down some material that was there before, and yeah, lovely earthworm. Doesn't get better than this. The earthworms have had a hard time in the drought. They've gone down deep. We haven't seen them for a while, but now we've got some moisture. They're getting active again. And having not used any glyphosate for 7 years, having not used pesticides, we've got a really healthy soil profile here. And that's what allows us to grow the grapes we do and make the wine we do. We're not organic, though we haven't used products that would disbar us from that system. We're holistic, so we're looking at what is needed in the vineyard, when it's needed, and there's a time and a place for everything. But that being said, we haven't used pesticides here ever, and I went 7 years without using any herbicides under the vines, just using the sheep to cut the grass and cycle the minerals. Hope you've enjoyed that. Look forward to taking you on a walk and talk sometime during the year once our places have opened up again.